Malta hija rinomata għall-standards għolin fil-qasam tas-saħħa li kull ma jmur qiegħed joħloq aktar opportunitajiet sabiex ikompli javvanza l qudiem b'faċilitajiet innovattivi mill-aktar moderni. Dan saħqitu l-Ambaxxatriċi Amerikana f'Malta, Glenna Kathleen Hill, f'intervista esklusiva ma' One News.
Malta does have a reputation for having fantastic healthcare. You're always looking to get better. You're always looking to innovate and you're always looking to get the latest and the greatest and the newest.
Aktar kmini din il-ġimgħa l-Gvern Malti u l-kumpanija Amerikana Stewart Healthcare issiġillaw il-ftehim brabta ma' tmexxija ta' 3 sptarijiet, Karen Gregg, San Luqa u l-Isptar Ġenerali ta' Għawdex.
Well, I think it's a really great opportunity both for Stewart and for Malta. And they have a good reputation for not only running their hospitals well, but also for providing quality health care. So for them, there's a lot at stake. They have high incentive to do the best job possible here, and I think that the Maltese will be very pleased with what they see.
Fi kliem l-Ambaxxatriċi, dan il-ftehim ser jagħti l-opportunità lil Maltin u l-Awċin sabiex igawdu mill-avvanzi li t-teknoloġija ser tkun qed toħloq fis-settur mediċinali.
It would be a great partnership because Malta already has really great health care. And what Stewart brings to the market is all of the wonderful innovation that the United States is so well known for. All of the research, all of the advances in technology, in medicine, in techniques. All of this, Stewart can tap into all of the US innovation and bring it here to Malta.
Apparti 3 sptarijiet, Stewart Healthcare ser ikunu qegħdin joffru l-aqwa faċilitajiet lill-istudenti tal-Iskola Medika Barts f'Għawdex, illi fi kliem l-Ambaxxatriċi diġà qabdu ritmu tajjeb tant li diġà rreġistraw 45 student.
Barts is actually up and running. They don't have their facility yet, but they've actually got, I think, about 45 students already registered and taking classes in Gozo. So there's a lot of opportunity as well for Stewart to come in here and, again, bring in American innovation, bring in American ideas, and meld it with what's going on in Europe and create really world-class facilities.